As a commitment to maintaining quality safety standards, we regularly perform scheduled and unscheduled maintenance on all of our attractions at Scenic Railway. This is a major maintenance interval, 6 years now after the 2013 $30 million upgrade of the railway. So it involves essentially a full mechanical strip down of the rolling stock and running gear of the train, includes the wheels and swing arms, and all critical components are then inspected and tested, and we're also cropping the tail end and the train end of the haul rope. We'll be actually physically cutting the tails off of the rope at each end, the train end and the winch end. While routine maintenance is what we do every day, major maintenance projects like this one are part of our ongoing commitment to investing in a world-class visitor experience.